So, you're ready to apply for your Florida driver's license. Here's everything you need to know, and the steps to follow in order to get one. Anyone residing in Florida for more than 30 days who intends to drive a motor vehicle on the public roads needs to get a Florida driver's license. If you have a driver's license from any other state, you'll need to go to the Department of Motor Vehicles or tax collector's office in order to transfer your license to Florida. No tests are required for this. You'll need to show all the required documents for this purpose. If you have a driver's license from another country, you'll be exempt from taking the 4-hour traffic law and substance abuse course. You'll still be required to take the general knowledge and driving exams. Some countries are exempt from these requirements, like Germany, South Korea, Canada, and Taiwan. An international driver's license will allow you to drive in Florida, but will not exempt you from taking the required tests to get a Florida driver's license. You can apply for a Florida driver's license as long as you are legally present in the United States. If you do not have a legal status, you won't be able to get a Florida driver's license. You can get a driver's license if you're a United States citizen or permanent resident, a visitor with a valid visa, an international student, have a work permit, or a paroled immigrant. You'll need to show proof of identity, like a passport, green card, or birth certificate, Social Security or letter from the Social Security Administration stating that you're ineligible for a Social Security number. If you're not a citizen or permanent resident, you'll need to show proof of your legal status, like Form I-20, work permit card, or visitor's visa. Also, you must print and bring your Form I-94, which you can get online. You must bring proof of your address in Florida. These must be in your name, and could be a utility bill, car registration, bank statement, lease contract, letter from a government agency, etc. If you don't have any of these documents in your name, you could bring a person who lives with you and has any of these documents in his or her name to certify that you live in that address. If you are a minor, one of your parents will need to be present with you at the DMV office in order to sign for you. At what age can I start the process to get a driver's license? At age 15, you can take the general knowledge test to get a Florida learner's permit. You can take the test at a DMV office or online before your 18th birthday. After you have had your learner's permit for a full year, you can take the driving test and obtain your driver's license. If you're 18 years old, you can take the driving test and get your driver's license without waiting a full year. You'll still need to follow the same steps to get your license as everyone else. That is, traffic law and substance abuse course, general knowledge, and driving tests. If you plan on practicing behind the wheel before taking your driving test, you will need to get a learner's permit at the DMV after you have taken your general knowledge exam. There's no exceptions.